The day before the trip, getting everything all packed up. Got the bike in here ready to go. Hey guys, it's Steve from Moto Photo Adventures with another orange shirt review. Today is the day before the big trip. So we're gonna have a little positive and a negative orange shirt review. The positive being I've tested positive for COVID. So the negative it is, you don't want this. And so that will end my trip as of today. And just so I look the part, y'all have fun on this trip.
Hello, my name's Chris Smith. Would you like a chocolate?
No, thank you.
I could eat about 1.5 million of these. My mama always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get.
I'll have one of those. My mom always says, stupid is, stupid does. There's a diagram on the back of the box. This is a caramel.
How about that? Woo-wee! Guys, I had a little bit of a chilly ride on the way down.
You think?
We did too. Oh yeah, well, yesterday? I can't imagine.
It went anywhere from 35 to 42 degrees the whole way down.
When we left North Truck, it was 31.
Yep. It got to the point where I was like, this is just misery. I just got to deal with it, you know? There was nothing I could do.
Right. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you guys. So this is exciting.
All right, see.
Let's do it.
Hey guys, it's Steve. I'll be emceeing this little trip while these guys are grabbing a bite to eat at the Broken Egg Cafe. Word on the street is that they've got a problem with how to read a map.
Is this the old fangled GPS?
Yeah.
Hey, just pinch and zoom. Here.
Yeah, it works.
At 840 square miles, Jacksonville has the largest. At 840. Cut. At 840 square miles, did you know Jacksonville is the largest city in the continental United States by volume, by size?
No kidding.
Pretty cool.
I didn't learn that until just now.
And Jacksonville has the most extensive park system of any city, has the largest square footage of park surfaces. And we're in Jacksonville Memorial Park. Cool.
I didn't know that.
How you doing, Steve?
You know, a little has changed with Steve.
Yeah, he doesn't look anything like Steve.
We have a little bit of a problem, Jason.
What's the problem?
He's too good looking. I mean,
he's ruining the curve.
Jeez.
I don't even know what to say about that.
Nobody's going to look at us for the rest of the series.
I need a hat and a
Please.
scarf. That's what I need, a good hat.
So much is going to have to get edited.
So we got to tell him what happened to Steve and why David is here.
Where is Steve?
Hey Chris, I'm right here. And by the way, Jason, didn't we already cover that? And most importantly, who's the other guy?
We have David Mays from aMAYSing Life.
Oh, how quickly they get fine replacements. I'm just saying. You better get well, Steve.
Well, you did bring a camera.
I did.
Yeah, so that's good.
We're actually super lucky because David is a fantastic YouTuber. Check out his YouTube channel.
We will link to it right about here, which will take you to his, where he's introducing us to his people, and then it'll come back to here. So.
You'll be in an endless loop.
Oh, it's wonderful.
You
You'll
just
see
keep
introductions
back and forth forever.
Introductions forever.
Like in that movie, The Looper.
Yeah, the looper. I'll throw in a clip.
Oh,
Tell us a little bit about yourself and a little bit about your channel and what it is that you do.
My wife and I actually have an adventure channel. We do both Jeep and motorcycle. I'm typically the only one on the motorcycle, but we just started kicking in the Jeep content as well. So, you know, on my channel, it's kind of known for motorcycle stuff, but over this past year, I did quite a few adventures to Oregon and Moab and lots of different cool places. So, and that's kind of what's going to happen this year as well. So it's a lot of fun, and I try to throw in both two-wheel and four-wheel love. So
cool. And you jumped in on this one going the exact opposite direction down to Florida this time. Have you done a Florida trip yet?
I have not. In fact, I was talking to my wife, and this is only the third time that I've actually ridden a motorcycle into Florida.
Oh, cool.
I've come down here with it attached to the back of the motorhome,
right.
But I've never actually ridden into Florida, so it's kind of fun.
You feel any different?
No, no, not a bit.
Oh, it feels a whole lot warmer
Although
than Nashville.
although the grapefruit juice coming in was good. We just made it into Florida. We stopped at the visitor center, and I'm told that they give free grapefruit or orange juice for those who are coming. So I'm gonna get myself a little orange juice, and well, what do you know? There it is. How cool is this? Yeah, thank you.
Enjoy.
Appreciate it. Come to Florida, they give you drinks.
So a couple of weeks ago when we were planning this trip, we had to come up with a name for it because, you know, you have the TAT, and you have the SCAR, and you have the MABDR, and all of the other ones already have names. Well, we're creating our own little Sunburn circuit. Well, as it happens, 30 degrees.
Yeah, I wasn't believing the Sunburn part.
No, it's a bit of a misnomer.
What was it like leaving Nashville yesterday?
So it hovered around from 35 to 42 degrees virtually the entire way down. Yeah, so as you can tell, that was a little chilly, and I'm not gonna lie, there was a point where I called my wife and I was like, my hands are so cold. I'm just miserable. It just got to that point. I was like, but you know what? I gotta go. But you know, the reality is I think we can comfort ourselves to death if we're not careful.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
there's a point where you just need to embrace the suck, as the Marines say.
You don't scare me. Work on it.
And just get it done, because now
It's
beautiful.
Oh man, we were
It's beautiful.
I'm
shedding
enjoying
layers
it.
right before we set up the cameras for this intro.
Yeah.
I'm pulling layers off, sweating underneath.
It's amazing. So great weather now, so I'm good. I'm
Cool.
good.
Chris,
Yes.
tell us what we're doing here and where we're going and what the whole deal is. And
Well, first of all, welcome back to the channel, guys. Moto Photo Adventures, and we are doing another big adventure. We just finished the Natchez Trace Parkway, posted the last episode a couple of days before this trip, and so we are doing what we call the Sunburn circuit, basically going around Florida in a leisurely direction, staying off the interstates, staying off the main roads, basically going down Highway 1A and down to Key West. We're going to check out Key West, back across the Tamiami Trail, across the lower part of the state. Maybe we'll get a little airboat ride in there. I don't know.
Depends on the time.
We'll see what happens. We're gonna find some fun adventures and showcase some of the cool little stops that Florida has to offer. We've got a great show coming for you guys.
Guys, thanks for allowing me to come on board with you as of, what, 3 days ago when we
Something
decided
like that.
this?
Yeah.
That's kind of cool. Appreciate you guys letting me come on. And
No worries.
I'm looking forward
Thanks,
to it.
man. Great.
It's
Great.
awesome having another photographer. You just fit right in, and we're gonna have a fun time.
So where are we going from right here?
So after this introduction, we are going to head down Highway 1A and basically spend the night in St. Augustine.
Cool.
You know anything about St. Augustine?
Don't give it away yet.
Stick around.
I've heard good things, but I don't know.
Oh, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button on ours and his.
And after all this, they rode around Jacksonville for a little while, probably because they got lost, couldn't read a map or something like that. And then they headed down to St. Augustine for a look for a place to camp.
Jacksonville's kind of cool. Whoa, check out that mural, guys. That's pretty neat.
Oh, that is nice. Vibrant colors.
Cool light hitting it, too. Yeah, this is pretty neat. I like Jacksonville. What do you guys think of Jacksonville?
You know, I haven't spent a lot of time here, but it's the downtown's really nice. I like the parks. I had no idea that there were so many parks.
Yeah. They say that Jacksonville has as much square footage of park space, open green space, as the entire island of Manhattan. Is that crazy or what?
That is.
Well,
How big is Manhattan?
It's not real big. it's probably taller than it is wide.
Yeah.
Oh, check out that bridge. Are we going over that?
Yeah, looks like we are.
That's pretty cool. Neat little statue. Wow, look at the Wells Fargo building. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off, sir.
I was looking up at a building.
Pardon me, I'm doing a YouTube video.
YouTubers get the right of way.
All right, what do I do here? 200 feet.
We were supposed to actually turn right over there.
Yui.
See, I just wanted to come up here and see this green space because Jacksonville has so many green spaces.
You know, this green space is a little bit bigger than the Isle of Man.
Oh.
And if you've forgotten where you are, 11 o'clock high.
Huh?
Yeah, exactly. Oh my God, we're in Florida.
What in the world?
Who knew?
How'd that happen?
So they say the best way to get to know somebody is to travel with them. We'll see.
Whoa. Sun's out. Ooh, that's hitting your eyes. Wow, this is cool.
Yeah, that's a nice bridge.
Look at that. What a view.
Sorry, Chris, but there's no left turn on the bridge.
Ah, no. Oh, right turn. Oh, I did the wrong one.
Isn't that just lovely?
Or did I?
Yeah, I was showing going straight.
Yep.
I think David's going to be rethinking this trip here.
Pass me, Jason.
Working on it.
I've got a camera rolling on the bottom right.
I'm trying to get a GoPro rolling so when I do pass you. All right.
Okay, go ahead.
That's one of those who's on first deals.
It's the Three Stooges again.
Yep.
Hurry! What's up with the slow drivers in the fast lane?
Well, historically, every time I see a car that's doing something stupid in another state, by the time I get around him and find out where he came from, it's always a Florida tag. So I don't have a whole lot of hope down here, but maybe it's just the guys who try to leave Florida that are
bad drivers.
Well, if you watch any of those live cop shows, it's always somebody from some nondescript county in Florida. They have a gator tattoo.
Oh, that's funny. Hopefully,
you got me wanting gator. I ain't had gator in a long time.
Hopefully, since we're staying off the interstate, we'll avoid some of them.
Our apologies to all the good Florida drivers.
Right.
All tongue-in-cheek.
Both of them. I'm from Tennessee. I've got nothing to say. We have our share.
Oh, everybody's got their share.
That is definitely a pet peeve of mine, though, is people driving slow in the fast lane.
Oh, don't even... You ask my wife about it, she says I need therapy because of it.
Oh, I'm sure. Cussing and swearing and...
She's probably just being kind.
Probably.
The reason for therapy is far deeper, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah, she's when she rides with me on coming back on I-95, she's teeth gritting, pressing that invisible passenger brake. I'm yelling at people and using the horn for what God intended it.
All right, guys, that was a much longer day than we expected, but we made it to St. Augustine. Starving to death, so before we even get to our campsite, we are gonna grab a bite to eat at Gringo's Tacos. Come on in.
Anywhere I go, anywhere I be, that good sunshine is shining on me. Anywhere I go, anywhere I please, that good sunshine keeps shining on me. Anywhere I go, anywhere I
know, after all that, their plans for camping would be replaced by the most reasonably priced hotel room they could find.
That good sun shining on me. Anywhere I go, anywhere I please. That good sunshine keeps shining on me. Anywhere I go.
Cute little place. You guys reminded me of the Shriners guys running around in the little funny cars.
So what is a schoolhouse, an old fort, a seafood dinner, and a campsite have in common? Well, that would be in the next episode. And if you want to find out about that, hit the like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell, because that's what's going to remind you when it comes out.
So, you know, the orange trees are probably in bloom right about now, and we've got some friends that we're going to stay with.
I wonder what this is. Well, I can always just put my hand here. That would tell me. No, maybe if I extend this tape measure up here, it will tell me how high it is. But my hand is in the air, so do I... Oh, stop! Dang it, tape measures. But try easy. Yes, it is. Oh, try again. Don't give up. Easy. Look at it. Oh, if I tend on my toes, I can reach way up. Oh, just get it. Tape measures. I don't... What is in the tree?